In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify your WooCommerce checkout page to better suit your business needs and enhance your customers' shopping experience. Customizing the checkout process can make a huge difference in the ease and efficiency with which your customers complete their transactions. So let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Plugins section located on the left-hand sidebar of your screen. Click on Add New to begin searching for the right plugin to assist you in this process. In the search bar on the top right, type in Checkout Field Editor for WooCommerce. This plugin is a powerful tool that allows you to customize your checkout page extensively. It's designed to be user-friendly and doesn't require any coding skills, which makes it accessible even if you're not technologically inclined. When the results populate, look for the Checkout Field Editor for WooCommerce and click on the Install Now button to initiate the process. Once the plugin has installed, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin and integrate it with your WooCommerce setup. This step is crucial because once the plugin is activated, it will give you the control to start modifying your checkout form immediately. Now that the plugin is active, locate the WooCommerce tab on your dashboard, and from the drop-down menu, select Checkout Form. This section will be where all the magic happens. Inside the checkout form area, you'll see a list of the existing fields currently being used in your checkout process. With the Checkout Field Editor for WooCommerce plugin, you have the flexibility to add new fields, remove those that are unnecessary, and reorder them to reflect the flow you desire for your checkout process. This customization doesn't stop there. You can also choose to make certain fields optional or required based on what information you need from your customers. Another helpful feature is the ability to rename labels for each field. This can be particularly useful if you're seeking to create a unique branding experience or need to provide more clarity to your customers regarding the information you need from them. For example, if you prefer a more casual tone, you could change first name simply to your name, or something that aligns more closely with the voice of your brand. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to crafting a checkout experience that not only reflects the personality of your brand, but also optimizes the process for your customers, hopefully reducing cart abandonment and increasing customer satisfaction. That's it for today's guide. Now, go ahead and start customizing your WooCommerce checkout page to give your customers a seamless and personalized shopping experience. Thanks for watching and happy selling.